Welcome back, wonderful viewers. In this video, I'm going to be going over the original Raspberry Pi Zero W, including the specific kit I bought and the Raspberry Pi Zero W features. I understand that there is a new Raspberry Pi Zero W2 in the market, however, I'll be covering the original one. Quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. The kit I bought was a Vilros kit, which I got around $40 on Amazon. The kit was including a micro SD card installed with NOOBS, the Raspberry Pi Zero W, the unsoldered GPIO pins, the mini HDMI to HDMI, the power supply, a case, a micro USB to mini USBs, GPIO chart, stickers, and a simple CPU cooler. The kit provides all the necessary components at a relatively good price, which is especially useful for a beginner. Moving on to the features, the Raspberry Pi Zero W is an extremely tiny computer which is even smaller than its credit card-sized Raspberry Pi counterparts. It came out in 2017 and was one of the first extremely tiny computers with a decent amount of computing power. Unlike some of its previous counterparts, the Raspberry Pi Zero W includes an onboard Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It is a microcontroller which can run operating systems, web browsers, programming, and even games. The specific OS came with a Minecraft Pi, which was only available in creative mode, so no creepers or zombies. For programming, there are options for Python and Java IDEs. Different GPIO pins can be used to send and get data from sensors and control electronics through coding. GPIO stands for General Purpose Input-Output, which include ground, 5-volt, 3.3 volts, and PWM signal ports. The PWM stands for Pulse Width Modulation, which allows for data transfer to and from sensors and electronics. The CPU is 1 GHz, and there are 512 megabytes of RAM. There is one onboard port for display or camera. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know what sort of videos you want to see about the Raspberry Pi. That's it for this video. Peace out from Tech It For Me.